Now it's time to look at the file dialog to see how you can open a file. And first I'm going to type here from tkinter import file dialog. Then I'm going to down here I'll type window equals tk. Then I'm going to type window dot main loop, and I will create a button here. Button equals to button window, so it's going to be showing this window. We're going to have a text open, and it's going to have a command, so we're going to have a function or callback called open file. Let's remove this. Okay, up here I will type def open file, and I will type file path equals to file dialog dot ask to ask open file name. I will add a print, and it's gonna say file path to see what you get. So if I run this, I forgot to pack the button. I always forgot this, so I'm gonna type here button dot pack. Let's run it again. Open. Now it's opening this. Let's go to desktop, text, and we have the address. You have the URL address text. All right, let's delete this. Now I'm gonna type here. We need to get the content of that file, so I'm gonna type here file. I'm gonna go down, file equals to open file path R for reading, and I'm gonna add a print file dot read, and I'll type file dot, very important to close this. Let's refactor this to snake case. So refactor, it's not working. I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, let's run this. Open text, and have my name is Alex, I like math, so everything works fine. Now let's bring that file in our project. So I'm gonna copy this, I'm gonna open PyCharm, I will paste it here. We have our file, and I'm gonna go here. It should say, let me see, copy path, but I don't see copy path. Copy path reference, copy absolute path. And I will go here, and I'm gonna say the initial directory. So initial directory is gonna be equal to quotation marks this, but we need to put double slashes, here also. Let's go to the next line, and I will type title. I should put a comma there, comma, title. Let's open this this file. Now I'm gonna specify what file types I can open. So I'm gonna put parentheses and I'll type text files. So this is gonna be the name, comma, parentheses, asterisk, dot txt, comma, another set of parentheses, and I'll put all files, comma, and I'll put asterisk, dot asterisk. But we have some problems here. Okay, now let's run this. Click on open, and now we have text files, so this comes from here, and we also have all files and also have the main here now. So this is what this code is doing. We have a problem here, but I'm not gonna try to solve this now. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you in the next video.